TeamOne Explorer brings planning analytics to Google Sheets. Use our sidebar to create dynamic explorations by selecting dimensions and elements. TeamOne will magically refresh the data directly in Google Sheets. Let's open an existing document and launch the TeamOne sidebar. We are going to rename our sheet and open TeamOne Explorer. We can see and open any existing exploration at the bottom. But this time, we will create a new one, based on the revenue cube. Let's move the channel and product dimensions to the rows. And version dimension, to the filters. We will select the existing groups subset for the products. And we'll build a dynamic expression to select the first 3 leaf level element for the channel dimension, using TeamOne MDX mods. By the way, you can convert expression to real MDX2 using the button at the top. For the revenue dimension, we will manually select units sold, gross margin percentage, and gross revenue. Click the refresh button and the data is updated directly in Google Sheets, including the formatting. Now let's narrow our products to the next 3 elements. We can simply copy-paste them to the MDX editor. By the way, you can use wildcard patterns too, and combine them with other MDX mods. We will also move the year dimension to the columns, and select 2 elements to compare. Finally, let's filter the data by Canada, and actual only. When typing the element, you can simply hit enter to select the first highlighted one, and automatically close the element selection screen. We will also adjust the start row and column positions, which will give us some space to add some custom content at the top. Let's refresh the exploration again. Hide the grid lines. And add a title. Looks good now.